Hello, my name is Calah Lane, and today I'm gonna have 2 chefs compete to make my dream dessert. Hi.
I'm Alexis.
I'm Kayla.
Nice to meet you.
I'm Matthew. Nice to meet you. I love your glasses.
Thank you.
If you could come up with any dish in the world, what would it be?
A cookie cupcake.
So when Kayla said she wanted to do a cupcake, I was really happy, but then she kept going.
Then put like the chocolatey flavor cupcake. No, not the cupcake, but the cookie.
The cookie.
So chocolate with like white chocolate chips in it.
Okay,
Got
so
it,
like a
got
chocolate mix
Yeah. Then you put the glaze, and then you put the cupcake.
on top of the glaze.
Yeah. On top
Got
of
it,
the
got it.
glaze.
And then what's on top of this cupcake?
The glaze, then the cookie.
Okay.
The glaze again.
The whole layering aspect of this like cookie cupcake contraption, that's when I got worried.
The pink frosting.
Okay.
Like strawberry frosting.
Strawberry,
Ooh,
even
that
better.
sounds good.
Then you put the other thing,
What?
the other layer.
The other layer?
Yeah, because like they cut it in half. Cut the
Right.
Yeah.
I'm wondering about the size, like is it gonna topple over? Maybe I should make something bigger, or maybe I go mini. Do you like any like decorations? Do you want it to be
Yeah.
simple, or do you want it to be like kind of wild?
Well, not like wild,
Okay.
but like wild enough.
I think chocolate cupcake, white chocolate cookies, and strawberries are a great mashup. As long as the structural integrity stays intact, we'll be good.
Do you think we can do it?
Yes.
Okay,
I
cool.
think we can do it like a lot.
I think we should go do it.
We've got cookie on the bottom, glaze, cupcake half, more glaze, cookie, frosting, cupcake half, and more frosting. Am I feeling confident? I think I'll get there.
I'm going to first make a really nice round chocolate cake, then have some great strawberry buttercream frosting, then a giant chocolate cookie with white chocolate chips, more frosting, another layer of chocolate cake. I'll put frosting with a lot of great garnishes like fresh strawberries.
Matthew's an amazing cook. He does really great work. He's gonna be a good competitor. I'm gonna make a really moist chocolate cake, put some strawberry glaze on it, a cookie that fits perfectly on top, frosting, strawberries, cake, and then repeat.
Alexis will do her best. I know I'm gonna do my best, but I hope I come out on top. I'm starting with my white chocolate chip cookies,
Okay.
and then gonna move on to the cupcake that I'm turning into just a normal chocolate cake.
I too am starting with my cookies and then making like a mini 6-inch cake. I just sifted my 2 flours. I'm using regular flour and bread flour. So I'm gonna brown the butter, so it's gonna get this like really dark nutty color. It'll boil down a bit since some of the fat cooks off. So I just added a bit of water to bring it back up to a cup. Now I'm gonna add the sugars. So adding brown sugar, white sugar, and then we're gonna add the brown butter. Oh my God, that looks amazing.
So right now I'm starting with the butter, brown sugar, and regular white sugar to cream together for my cookies. And now I'm adding the eggs, flour, cocoa powder, baking soda. So I'm pushing my cookie dough into the same size cake tin that my cake will be baked in, so that way they're all evenly sized. In order to do some cool decorations on top, I think I might make like some interestingly shaped cookies. What I want to try to do is make a little like cookie sign that I can like stick in the cake and it'll say Kayla on it.
That's so cute.
If I can somehow spell her name out in white chocolate.
Do you want to try this?
It's good. Want to try some of this?
It's really good. They're both really good. You have more of a chocolate cookie,
I do, yes.
so that's also going to be different.
Okay, cool.
I'm just
Normal cookie
doing
batter.
chip on chip. 1 ice cream scoop equals 1 cookie, but since I want this to be bigger, maybe 3.
Go big or go home. I'm going into the oven now. Here we go.
What do you think about Matt's recipe so far?
I mean, so far I feel pretty good.
I think she's doing.
She didn't do exactly what I think Kayla wanted with the cookie. I think maybe Kayla was looking for that chocolate cookie with the white chocolate chips. So that's what I'm aiming for. While you were gone, they tried to get me to like say some mean things about you.
Did you say anything?
No. I was like considering thinking like, I could be like, bring it on. but that's like so not my nature. I'm doing the same creaming thing for the cake, just like I did for the cookie, just to help it aid a little bit in its being like a little bit more liquidy. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil as well.
I am going to boil water and then add cocoa powder to it as my first step to the cake. The hot water with the cocoa powder is gonna make a more intense flavor than if you just added plain cocoa powder or if you added cocoa powder to cold water. I'm gonna sift the flour, baking soda, sugar, and salt. So now adding the cocoa.
Now that my cake batter is done, I'm putting them into these cake tins.
And so it's actually interesting to see how different our batters are. Yours is much more thick and actually looks more cake-like, whereas mine is like pretty liquidy. I'm gonna start on my glaze and I'm gonna use a ricer to actually mash the strawberries. I realize this looks kind of gross, but it's just an easy way to get it all kind of pulpy.
And now I'm gonna move on to making the strawberry buttercream. I'm not creaming necessarily the butter anymore. It's more of just like kind of aerating it and then adding the freeze-dried strawberries that I've crushed up. And that's gonna give me a really bright pink strawberry frosting. Oh yeah. Almost like strawberry ice cream.
Okay, that is so good.
Thank you.
I'm gonna start on my buttercream. I'm going to add powdered sugar, vanilla, again, salt, strawberry and raspberry jam. Wow, that's sweet.
But I think we're at like the easy part that we've all done before, which is like make frostings, cakes, and cookies. The layering and like the decoration is what I'm not as confident about.
I feel really confident flavor-wise. I feel like the decorating, what is a 9-year-old like? I don't know, maybe I'm terrible with kids and I just didn't know it.
I'm really excited for Calah to try my cake. I think it looks so pretty and I have all these little touches that I think she'll really take to heart. I tasted the cookie and the cake and I like how it tastes. I just hope it's enough to win her vote.
I will say that I think my chocolate cake might seal the deal. It's so moist and it's so fluffy. And I just think when she has a bite of it, it'll be hard. It'll be hard to say no.
Okay, you two, what do you got for me?
We have our cakes.
They're a little different from what you drew, but I hope they're good.
I hope so.
This is really tall.
It's like a big, tall tower.
Oh gosh. I feel pretty happy with the cake. It looks like what she drew, and I think she's gonna like it. So, you know, we've got the chocolatey layers, there's a strawberry glaze, there's the chocolate chip cookies with white and semi-sweet chocolate.
This is good. Tastes like chocolate with chocolate, and it's so moist.
I think she's really into my chocolate cake.
So right here we have all these really fun emojis for you. If you had to describe the cake you just tried, which one would you choose?
That one.
Oh!
Thank you.
That's so
That's
great.
such a compliment.
Calah is about to try my cake, and I'm really excited. I know she's gonna love it. I think the cookie with her name on top is really gonna push it over the edge. Here is a simple chocolate cake, and then inside there is a strawberry buttercream frosting. Cool.
God, it tastes like a brownie. It's so hard.
So this is the cookie part, and then you gotta try the cake by itself too.
That's good.
So Calah, you've chosen my emoji, but now you've got to choose Matt's.
That one.
Oh! I'll take it. I'll take it. I love it. I love hard eyes.
Do you need to try anything else before you make your final decision?
I can give you a huge bite of that. You want
Yeah.
that? Ooh. Oh my God, that's so precious.
Laying it on thick, Matthew, laying it on thick.
This is good. This is the best cookie I've ever had.
Whoa.
I think the winner is number 1.
Thanks, Calah. You did great too. Oh, finally. You know, I really needed this win.
I lost. I expected her to really not notice the nuances that I could have put into the cake, so I kept it really simple and focused on the decoration, but maybe I should have taken those extra moments to really put in all the extra pizzazz and flavor into the cake and the cookie itself.
Because you're the winner, you get a big frame of my picture.
Thank you so much. This is amazing. This is so, so sweet. It kind of It kind of looks like it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, kind of.
Feel pretty good. What am I gonna do with this? Hang it over my bed, put it in my living room, send it to my mom. I don't know. I'm pretty proud though. Do you wanna try it? Do you wanna try it?